Hello and welcome to PH Maths. Today's explainer is the Alternate Segment Theorem, the circle theorem that catches students out more than any other. By the end, you'll know exactly when to use it and how to spot the alternate segment without second guessing. Definition: when a tangent meets a chord at a point on the circle, the angle between the tangent and the chord equals the inscribed angle in the opposite segment of the circle. The chord divides the circle into two segments. The angle on the far side of the chord matches the tangent chord angle. Key insight: use this theorem when nothing else fits. Spot a tangent, a chord, and a third point on the circle on the opposite side of the chord from the tangent. The tangent chord angle equals the inscribed angle at that third point. It's the theorem that rescues a circle problem when everything else is stuck. Watch out. Pick the angle on the opposite side of the chord, not the same side. The alternate in the theorem name refers to the opposite segment. If you pick the same side, you've got the wrong angle. Always identify the chord first, then go to the far side of it. Quick example: tangent T meets chord AB at point A. Angle TAB equals 40 degrees. C is on the major arc, the side of AB opposite the tangent. Then angle ACB equals 40 degrees too, by the alternate segment theorem. 3-line proof, 2 marks.